Now we are considering one interesting problem, and we have to find it out the output of this program, right? And we are having the option syntax error 1, 10 and 0. Let's find out the value of the program. Initializing in the first line, it has been initialized. The A value is 10, B 5 and C is also 5. Now the problem or this confusion is coming in this line only. So now we are explaining this line. D equal to A equal B plus C. Fine. So equal, double equal means it is the relational operator. So here what is the value of A? That is 10. Then this relational operator. Then in B it is 5 and C is also 5. So it is coming down 10 equal to 10. So 10 equal to 10, that means this relational operator returns the relation value. Relation value means if it is both sides are equal, that it returns the true relation value, that is 1. That means the value of D equal to 1. Now just we want to run this code through the compiler, and we'll check it out what the compiler is showing. Just compile. Good. This compiler is showing the value is 1. Now we are coming back to the option. As per the option given, we have option B is correct here.